happens if both the kidneys get failed. Complete and irreversible failure of kidney is sometimes termed as end-stage renal disease, ESRD. The ESRD can be cured by two ways: dialysis, artificial kidney, kidney transplantation. If kidneys stop functioning, then our body gets filled with extra water and waste products. This condition is called uremia. Symptoms: our hands or feet may swell. You feel tired and weak because your body needs clean blood to function properly. The solution to this problem can be solved by using artificial kidney, which is a temporary method. Let us learn about artificial kidney in detail. Dialysis, artificial kidney. Kidneys play an important role in the survival. If the infections, injury, high blood pressure, very high blood sugar, or restricted blood flow to the kidneys, then it leads to increase of poisonous wastes in the body. This may sometimes leads to death. Dialysis method is used to filter this waste, blood of a person, when both of his or kidneys are damaged. This process is termed as hemodialysis. During this process, blood is extracted from the main artery and is mixed with an anticoagulant like heparin, and then it is pumped into the apparatus called dialyzer. Dialyzer is an apparatus involved in dialysis method. Dialyzer apparatus is made up of channels or tubes. The blood flows through these channels or tubes. The blood flowing inside the tube and dialyzing fluid, dialysis, are separated by a membrane. The composition of dialyzing fluid and plasma are same, except dialyzing fluid does not contain the nitrogenous wastes. As nitrogenous wastes are absent in dialyzing fluids, the fluid substances from the blood can move out freely, thereby cleaning the blood of its wastes. This process is called dialysis. The function of dialysis is similar to the function of kidney, except that dialysis does not contain the process of reabsorption. After adding antiheparin, the cleaned blood is pumped back to the body through a vein. Each dialysis session takes 3 to 6 hours. This dialysis method is being used by thousands of uremic or kidney failure patients all over the world. Let us learn about the kidney transplantation, which is the long-term solution for kidney failure patients. Kidney transplantation. A kidney transplantation is a surgical procedure performed to replace a diseased or damaged kidney with a healthy kidney from another person. A functioning kidney must be transplanted from a donor, whether from a deceased or dead organ donor or from a living donor, especially relatives. This type of transplantation is called a living transplantation. The kidney that is transplanted must be a good match to the patient's body in order to minimize the chances of rejection of transplanted kidney. Individuals who donate a kidney can live a healthy life with the remaining single kidney. Generally, the patients receive only one kidney, but in rare cases, he or she may receive 2 kidneys from a deceased or dead donor. In most cases, during the process of transplantation, the deceased kidneys are left in the same place where they are. The transplanted kidney is fixed in the lower abdomen in the front side of the body. Nowadays, the process of organ donation is aiding a lot of kidney failure patients. These organs are generally collected from brain-dead patients and transplanted to the patient or recipient. Let us learn more about organ donation along with a case study. There are many people who are in need of suitable organ due to the failure of their important organs and waiting for the donors. When considered kidney transplantation hospitals in Hyderabad a minimum of 25 patients per hospital are waiting for the kidney donors. In our state, daily 10 to 100 people met with accidents, out of which some people get brain dead. If we collect organs from these brain dead people, then we can save the lives of minimum 5 people. But due to the lack of awareness, the organ donors and acceptors do not get proper information from medical personnel, that is from both the government and private hospitals. If they inform within proper time, then it will be very useful to the patients who are in need of an organ. In Hyderabad, this organ transplantation facility is available only in 2 government hospitals, NIMS and Usmania, and in more than 10 private hospitals. Other organs like cornea, the transplant organs like kidney, liver, heart, lungs, pancreas, skin, bone, intestine, and eye can be transplanted from brain-dead patients. The process of transplantation of organs from brain-dead patients to living patients is called cadaver transplantation. If any person is willing to donate organs or accept organs, should register their names in transplantation facility hospitals. Some voluntary organizations are also working for this. So, if you want to donate an organ, collect information about voluntary organization and make a report on them. Society needs much awareness in organ donation and acceptance so that we can save many lives who are in need of organs. Instead of living in their memories, let us make them live in others for one more life. Case study: we can live even after death. An 18-year-old young man named H.S. Yashwant Kumar donated his 5 organs when he met with an accident on June 15. When he was taken to Nizam Institute of Medical Sciences, NIMS, the neurosurgeons at NIMS declared him as a brain dead. Jeevandan organization counselors obtained an approval from Mr. H.S. Shiva, father of Yashwant Kumar. He agreed to donate his son's kidneys, pair of heart valves and liver. These organs and then recovered and sent to various transplantation hospitals. The table on the screen gives the differences between the kidney and the artificial kidney.